here's a set of pliers. Let's assume that they are seized, which means they've been left out in the rain and they're rusted, which in this case they're not, but this can sometimes happen. There's a really simple way to solve this problem. Take some WD-40 or some motor oil and just spray them like that. That's the WD-40. You can also use motor oil if you don't have WD-40. Just take a little bit and dump it on there and then leave them overnight. And then in the morning, then after they've sat there for maybe 12 hours or 24 hours, then you just take them and you just move them back and forth and they'll probably unseize very quickly. Like that. Thanks for watching.